Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Munafa. I am Pradyumna and I wish you a very happy and colorful Holi. May this festival of colors brings peace and happiness in each one of our lives. In the last video, we learned some basic terms which are related to stock market. Carrying forward the last content, we will learn some more basic terms in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So our first three terms of this video are gap up, gap down and unchanged. In the timings and holidays video, we learned about aftermarket orders and pre-market fluctuations. And due to these reasons of price fluctuation, it is not sure that the opening price of a share of the current trading day will be the same as closing price of the same share of previous trading day. Hence, if today's opening price of a share or an index at 9:15 am is more than the previous day's closing price, it is called as gap up opening. Similarly, if today's opening price of a share is less than the previous trading day's closing price, it is called as gap down opening. And if once in a blue moon, the opening price of any share or index is same as the closing price of previous trading day, it is called unchanged. Moving forward, our next two terms are top line and bottom line. First, if we talk about top line, it means the gross sales or revenues of the company for a particular period of time. It is also known as turnover of the company. If we find that the company has a top line growth, it simply means that the company is experiencing an increase in its gross sales or revenues. The difference between sales and profit is the deduction of cost out of sales. In the other words, if we deduct all the expenses like salaries, depreciation, interest, tax, etc., we get our bottom line, which is the net profit of the company. Holding other factors constant, an ideal company should have growing top line and bottom line. Our next basic terms of stock market is profit margin and market capitalization. In an income statement of a company, we can track profit margin, which is calculated as net profit divided by total sales or revenue multiplied by 100. In a simple language, suppose there are two companies, company A and company B. The total sales of both of the companies are 100 rupees. The total cost of company A is 75 rupees and the total cost of company B is 50 rupees. Now the net profit of A Limited is 25 rupees where the net profit of B Limited is 50 rupees. Now with the help of our formula, we can find both of the company's profit margin, which are 25% for company A and 50% for company B. It simply means that by selling of 100 rupees product, company A earns 25 rupees and company B earns 50 rupees. Hence, higher the profit margin, higher the income. Moving on to the next term, which is market capitalization. Market capitalization or market cap is the value of a company which is traded on the stock market. It is calculated by multiplying the current share price with the total number of shares of a particular company. These total shares also include those shares which are not traded on the stock market. Suppose a company's name is P&R Limited and the current share price is 100 rupees per share. Now this price will be multiplied by total number of shares of P&R Limited, which is 10 crores. Hence the market cap of the company will be 1000 crore rupees. On behalf of market capitalization, all the companies are divided into three parts: small cap companies, mid cap companies and large cap companies. Companies which are below 5000 crores of market capitalization comes under the small cap company, where companies which have more than 5000 crores and less than 20,000 crores of market capitalization stay in the mid cap category, and companies with more than 20,000 crores of market capitalization comes under large cap. So these were some basic terminology of stock market, And with this, I am putting a break on our Basics of Stock Market series. If you want to learn any other term related to basics of stock market, please comment below. In the upcoming videos, we will learn the fundamental analysis of a company through which you can find the right company to invest in. I will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy this beautiful festival and take care. Thank you.